The JTEMAN is a Bluetooth wireless station speaker for the bedrooms, anywhere that you need to put your phone, listen to music, tell time, and more. Let's open this up, show you what this is all about. It's a nice sized docking station for your iPhone and more. It's going to tell the time, play what's on your phone, and more. You get a USB A to C charging cable. You get the base, and on the bottom will be where the area of interest to hold your phone, tablets. You basically lift it up like so. On the bottom of the unit, as well as the instruction guide, you can set up and use your machine. 4 little skid plates, so when you place the unit down, it doesn't slide or vibrate. On the back of the machine are 2 ports located over here. And over on the side is a TF SDXC card slot. As we plug into the outside, which is the input, and we're going to have 3 hours to charge the unit, and off we go. Plug into a 5-volt 1 amp charger. And we need to set up the unit. While it's charging, you have a whole bunch of buttons to press. Grab the arm, pull the holder. It raises pretty tall so you can place your phone and hold it on the unit. If you had a tablet, you could put a tablet on. Use your phone as landscape as well. We have a snooze and dimmer button. Bright, dull, duller, and off. Big speaker, phone, you name it. The center button, holding down, shuts the unit off. Holding it, turns the unit on. And trying to pair, waiting for the unit to acknowledge. With JTEMAN L36, hit the pair. The unit will correct its time. We have 26 degrees Celsius. We can listen to music and more. Playing a video or music from my library. Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Increase, decrease the volume. We have field of view, ultra wide, wide, linear. That's with the horizon bound. Skip and reverse. Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Skip and reverse buttons and more. 2 alarms. The volume of the alarm. And the other side. With the on and off switch located in the center and its tunes for alarms. 2 alarms that you can set for different times. Tell the date, time, and month, and so forth. I hope you enjoyed the JTEMAN clock station phone holder. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.